Are you truly in control of your moral choices and your risk-taking, or are you just following a genetic blueprint written long before you were born? It's time to stop guessing. Today, we're breaking down the science of how your genes shape your life trajectory and how to master your biology, starting right now. Welcome to Biohack Protocol Lab, where we explore the complex intersection of genetics, human behavior, and the morality of our choices. Today, we dive into the fascinating research of Dr. Hardin regarding how our genetic code influences the trajectory of our lives. Genetics do not dictate everything, but they play a crucial role in shaping our fundamental tendencies from the very beginning stages. Dr. Hardin argues that understanding our biological predispositions is essential for grasping why individuals behave differently in similar environmental life situations. The environment acts as a catalyst, but our genetic makeup determines how we perceive and interact with these external daily influences. We often feel a strange satisfaction when seeing moral violators punished, even when such actions provide no real benefit to society. This deep-rooted human tendency for retribution is a complex psychological phenomenon that deserves a much closer look by modern scientists. Our brains release dopamine when we witness justice being served, which explains why we are so drawn to punitive societal measures. The study of adolescence is critical because this period is when individual differences begin to manifest and solidify into future paths. During these formative years, our genetic tendencies interact with the environment to canalize our development into specific and predictable future trajectories. The research emphasizes that we must look at the age group between 10 and 25 to understand human development better. Dr. Hardin suggests that our conventional views on vice and virtue need a radical update based on modern genetic scientific understanding. There is no rigid line separating nature and nurture, as they are constantly dancing together to shape our unique human experience. By acknowledging these biological realities, we can move towards a more compassionate approach when dealing with human failures and societal mistakes. The concept of original sin is being challenged by the lenses of genetics, offering new perspectives on forgiveness and restorative justice. Our decisions are influenced by genetic predispositions, but we still retain the agency to navigate our lives with intention and purpose. Scientific findings indicate that our environment provides the context, but our internal biological framework dictates how we process that given context. Understanding this nuance is vital for creating better educational systems that support every individual based on their unique biological developmental needs. The ripple effects of our genetic traits can be seen throughout our lives, influencing our career choices and our personal relationships. We are not merely products of our environment, but active participants in shaping how our genes express themselves in the world. Exercise and healthy habits are environmental factors that can positively influence how our genetic predispositions manifest over the long-term period. Life is like a complex game where we are dealt a hand, but how we play the cards defines our true success. Looking ahead, science gives us the tools to build a society that values empathy over purely punitive measures for human errors. We must rethink how we judge each other, recognizing that everyone is navigating their own unique genetic and environmental life journey. Forgiveness becomes a much more accessible and logical path when we understand the biological constraints that others have to manage daily. Data-driven insights are changing the way we approach criminal justice, moving from punishment to rehabilitation and deep psychological understanding today. Collaborative research across disciplines will unlock even more secrets about the human condition and how we can improve our collective future. A new dawn of understanding is upon us, where science and compassion merge to create a more equitable world for everyone. Every child has a unique potential that is waiting to be nurtured by the right environment and the right support system. The ongoing dialogue between genetics and psychology is essential for solving the most pressing issues facing our modern globalized human society. Our cognitive functions are deeply influenced by our genetic legacy, yet we remain the masters of our own conscious daily choices. We all carry the weight of our past, but we also possess the capacity to rewrite our future through conscious action. The intricate web of life is connected by the threads of our DNA, weaving together the stories of our human existence. Mindfulness and self-awareness are powerful tools that allow us to observe our genetic tendencies without being controlled by them daily. Urban planning and environmental design can also play a role in fostering positive behaviors and reducing stress in our daily lives. History has much to teach us about human nature, and we must integrate this wisdom with the latest genetic scientific findings. Small changes in our environment can lead to significant shifts in our behavior over time, creating a better life for all. Technology allows us to analyze massive data sets, helping us understand the subtle ways that genes influence our complex daily human behaviors. This critical developmental window is where the foundation of our adult personality is built through interaction with our immediate social environment. The process of canalization ensures that our development follows a certain trajectory, but it remains susceptible to significant environmental life changes. Education is the most powerful environmental factor that can steer our genetic predispositions toward positive and productive outcomes for our society. The interaction between nature and nurture is a fundamental truth that we must embrace to truly understand the human developmental experience. Our home environment provides the essential support needed to help us navigate our genetic challenges and thrive in the modern world. We are part of a much larger cosmic story, where our genes are just one chapter in the vast history of life. Science is a journey of discovery, and every answer we find leads to even more interesting questions about our human nature. The speed of scientific progress is breathtaking, and it promises to reshape our understanding of morality and justice in the future. Nature has a profound impact on our well-being, helping us to balance our internal genetic drives with the external world today. Our past influences our present, but it does not have to determine our future if we choose to learn from history. Different regions of the brain respond to different stimuli, and our genes influence how sensitive we are to these various inputs. Just as code runs a computer, our genetic sequences influence the programs that run our daily thoughts, feelings, and behavioral patterns. The beauty of life lies in its diversity, and our genetic differences are what make each of us truly unique and valuable. Hands-on experience is crucial for learning, and it helps bridge the gap between abstract scientific theories and our daily reality. The complexity of our genetic makeup is a masterpiece of evolution, deserving of our respect and our deepest scientific curiosity today. Mentorship is a powerful environmental force that can change the life trajectory of a person, regardless of their genetic starting point. Together, we can build a society that leverages our understanding of genetics to create a more inclusive and compassionate global future. Forgiveness is not just a moral virtue, but a practical necessity for healing the divisions that exist within our human society. Knowledge is power, and by reading and studying, we equip ourselves to make better decisions for our lives and our families. Take a moment to reflect on your own life and the choices you make every single day in this fast world. Life is a journey of continuous growth, where we learn to navigate our genetic predispositions with wisdom, grace, and steady courage. Science brings us together, helping us solve the complex problems that have challenged humanity throughout our long and storied history. We are one humanity, sharing the same genetic blueprint, and we must work together to create a sustainable and bright future. Your physical health is a foundational element that supports your cognitive functions and emotional well-being throughout your entire life journey. The code within us is a legacy of our ancestors, but it is also the source of our future potential and possibilities. Education unlocks the door to a world of understanding, where we can master our own biology and shape our own destiny. Just as a seed grows into a tree, our potential unfolds when we provide the right environment for our unique genetic traits. We live in an era of unprecedented discovery, where the secrets of the human mind are finally being revealed by science. Wisdom comes from understanding the interplay between our biological nature and the environment that surrounds us in our daily lives today. Love and empathy are essential components of our human experience, helping us overcome the challenges that our genes might present us. The collaboration of minds is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe and improving our collective human existence forever. Each day brings new opportunities to grow, learn, and become the best version of ourselves through conscious and intentional daily actions. We are part of a grand design, and our genetic code is the foundation upon which we build our unique life story. Peace starts from within, and by understanding ourselves, we can bring more harmony to the world around us in our lives. The future is built by those who dare to dream and those who use science to solve the challenges of humanity. The wisdom of the past guides us as we navigate the complexities of the modern world, helping us make better decisions. Our brains are the most complex machines in the universe, and we are just beginning to understand their true potential today. Data allows us to see the patterns of life, helping us understand how our genes influence our behavior and our future. The journey of discovery never ends, as we continue to explore the depths of our biology and our shared human experience. Working together is the best way to solve the complex problems that affect our lives and our future in this world. Everything is connected in the great web of life, and our genetic code is just one part of this magnificent reality. Reflect on your journey and take the time to appreciate the unique genetic gifts that you have been given in life. The city of the future is being built today, with science and technology leading the way to a better human experience. Every morning is a new chance to start fresh, to grow, and to contribute to the betterment of our shared world. Your potential is limitless when you combine your genetic strengths with a supportive environment and a commitment to lifelong deep learning. We are all in this together, and our collective future depends on our ability to understand and support each other daily. Thank you for watching Biohack Protocol Lab, and stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of human genetic science.